This video is sponsored by Masamune Studio. They're one of the largest online gunpla and kotobuki hobby store. So head on to their website and visit msmnstudio.com to check their premium selection of model kits and wide selection of tools, paints, building materials, and many more. Link in the description. Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another video, and today we're gonna do our second Gunpla haul from Masamune Studio. So we received this package from Masamune Studio and it's a big box. So I think I got a couple of high grades inside, a couple of tools, and a couple of paints. So let's see what's inside. You can also see how it was packaged. First, you can see some packaging paper here. I'm just gonna remove this away. First, right off the bat, you can see the high grade Zaku 2, which is the origin version. So I have a couple of high grades here, a couple of tools, and a couple of paints. So this is the high grade Zaku 2, which is the Red Comet version from the origin series. We have a plot plate or a styrene sheet. This is a 3mm styrene sheet. It already includes some grids to guide you from cutting your plot plates. Next high grade is the high grade Leo. So this is from the high grade After Colony series. So one of the best grand suit in my opinion. This is the Mr. Cement SP. So as you can see, it's packaged really nicely to avoid some damages in the transport. So this is the Mr. Cement SP. If you want me to create a comparison video for all the Mr. Hobby Cement, just let me know in the comment so I could make that video. Next high grade is the high grade F91 Gundam from the Gundam F91 series. So this is a Universal Century Gundam and it's number 167 from the HGUC series. Next I have the high grade Barbados. So this is coming from the high grade IBO series. Next we have a couple of paints. So I think these are clear coats and some grays. I ordered some additional clear coats and color grays. Next is we have another paint set. So these are purple, blue, some grays, and another clear coat. I think this is the last of the paint. So we have another gray, green, and some clear coat as well. So I'm kind of hoarding some clear coat because it's really hard to find nowadays. So as you can see, this is the high grade Gundam Curious. So this is from the HG00 series. So I have a master grade of this, but I would like to see what the high grade looks like. So this is the Gundam Curious. Next we have the Gundam Rx121 GP01. So this is from the Universal Century series as well. So this is number 13 from the HGUC series. So next is the Dual Gundam Assault Shroud. So this is a high grade coming from the Gundam Seed series. Next we have the Rx121 Gundam Tr1 or the Hazel Custom. So this is a mobile suit from the Gundam Zeta, and it's also from the high grade Universal Century series, and it's number 056 from the HGUC line. Next, we have the MSM04 Akgai. So this is going to complete my amphibious trio. So I already have the Zagok and the Gog. So this is going to complete the trio. So this is also from the high grade Universal Century series, and it's number 78. Next, we have the Gundam Vidar from the IBO high grade series, or the high grade Iron Blooded Orphan series, and it's number 27. This is a really nice looking Gundam. So stay tuned for the unboxing and the quick build for this unit. Also, please let me know in the comment which one do you want me to work on first. So in line with that, our next kit is actually requested by one of our subscribers. His name is Tam Dao Trong. So I don't know if I said that correctly. So he requested this from the comment, and I found it and I actually got it. So please stay tuned for the quick build and unboxing of this model kit. So this is the GAT X105 AQM, well, that's a mouthful, or also known as L-Strike Gundam. So this is a HGCE, so it's from the Seed series, and it's number 171 from the high grade HGUC, from the HGUC or HGCE series. Lastly, I have a bag for small parts. So first, let me see what's inside. So first, we have a panel lining or panel scribing guide. So these are metal etch parts, and this will help me improve my panel lining. Next is a set for basic file. So this is the smooth version from Tamiya. And then these are some magnets. So I ordered one set of magnets. This includes 10 pieces. And then another engraver, which is 0.15 millimeter. So this is the most common panel line for high grades. So currently I'm using the 0.1 millimeter for high grades. So this is the one that I'm going to use moving forward. Next is a MAD sanding paper. So I already have the number 400 and 1000. So this is the number 600, or 600 grit rather. So it's another MAD sanding paper. This time it's the number 800 grit. I think this is the last one. So I have the Madworx grinding plate. So this is where I stick the previously shown sanding papers, because I think this is 3 pieces. Yeah, it's 3 pieces. So when you buy one, it includes 3 pieces and you already have labels in there. I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video and sending us our second Gunpla Haul. So if you're in need of model kits, paints, or tools, just visit their website msmnstudio.com for their wide selection of model kits, building materials, and many more. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I really appreciate it because it helps the channel to grow. And please let me know in the comment which one do you want me to work on first after the L-Strike Gundam. And once again, thank you for watching and keep building.